Dear second prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Algebra. It's Unit 1, Lesson 11. This is the last lesson in this unit. This lesson, inshallah, will be solving equations and inequalities of first degree in R. First, we need to remember how can we solve equation, and it's very easy. The new one that we are going to use the roots in this equation. And second, we are going to learn how to solve inequalities, and this one we have already studied in the 6th primary and the first prep. Is just revision, and just we are going to learn how to represent the solution set on the number line and by using interval form. Let's start the lesson. Now we have example 1. In this example, we have find the solution set of the following equation in R. Okay. The first one we have here, root 5 minus 1 equal 4. Then this one we are going to send plus 1 to the other side as a minus 1 as plus 1. Then it will be square root 5 x equal 4 plus 1, which is 5. Now we are going to send root 5 times x, which is, it will be divided by square root 5 like this. Then x equal root 5 divided by 5 equal, as we took before, root 5 divided by 5 equal square root 5. Okay, finally don't forget the solution set equal square root 5 between braces as we took before. Number 2, x plus 2 root 3 equal 3. First, we are going to send plus 2 root 3 to the other side as minus 2 root 3. Okay, then x equal 3 minus 2 root 3. Here we have different terms, then I can't subtract this one, then it will be 3 minus 2 root 3 without change. Finally, the solution set equal 3 minus 2 root 3. I think it's very easy. Number 3. Here we have 2 minus root 6 x plus absolute negative 8. Absolute negative 8, the absolute is cancel the negative sign, it will be 8. Then I'm going to send to the other side as minus 2. It will be 8 minus 2. Then negative root 6 x equal 2 minus 8, which is equal 6. Now I'm going to send negative 6 to the other negative root 6, but negative root 6 means negative root 6 times x. Then it will be divided by negative root 6. It will be like this. X equal 6 divided by negative root 6. Okay, then x equal 6 divided negative root 6, which is equal negative root 6. Then the solution set equal negative root 6 between the two braces. Okay, the next one, number 4, x minus 1 equal root 3. I will send minus 1 as plus 1. Then x will equal, of course, root 3 plus 1 are unlike, then it will be the same without change, root 3 plus 1. Then the solution set will equal root 3 plus 1 without change. The next one, in this example, find the solution set for each of the following inequalities in R in form of intervals. then graph the solution set on the number line. Okay, first we have here 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 greater than or equal 3. Okay, now I'm going to send plus 5 to the other side as minus 5. Then it will be 2x greater than or equal 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. Now I'm going to send 2 to the other side as divided by 2. Then x will be greater than or equal negative 1. Now this is the simplest form. Okay, I'm going to represent this one on the number line, but first I'm going to write the solution set. The solution set here equal x is greater than or equal negative 1, is greater than, okay, and go to infinity, then it will be negative 1 closed, and closed here because there is equal relation, comma, and infinity. Infinity is open, and then I'm going to represent on the number line like this. Here in the middle I'm going to write negative 1 and shaded circle. Don't forget the direction of the numbers greater than negative 1 will be to the right like this, and don't forget to shade. It will be from negative 1 to infinity. Next, number 2, we have inequality here, negative 7x greater than or equal negative 14. Now we have a problem. For example, if we have 6 and for example 4, 6 is greater than 4. Okay, if we divided both inequality divided by negative 2, for example, 6 divided by negative 2 equals negative 3. 4 divided by negative 2 equals negative 2. Here, which one is greater, negative 3 or negative 2? Negative 2 is greater. Then, when we divided by negative, the direction of the inequality will be changed. Again, when we divided by negative, the direction of the inequality will be changed. Okay, now I'm going to send the negative 7 to the other side. It will be negative divided by negative 7. Like this. Then x will be, don't forget, I'm going to change this one like this. Negative 14 divided by negative 7 equal 2. This is the simplest form, x smaller than or equal negative 2. Okay, smaller than the numbers smaller than 2, okay, go to negative infinity because the number smaller than 2 are 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on to infinity. Then the solution set will be negative infinity and 2. 2 here is closed, negative infinity is open. 2 is closed because of the equal sign, and the negative infinity is always open. Okay, to represent this one on the number line like this, here I'm going to write 2, and of course it will be closed, and the numbers less than 2 will be like this. Okay, this is the representation on the number line. The next one, number 3. In this one, 3 minus 2x smaller than or equal 7. Here 3 is a positive number. Okay, I'm going to send 3 to the other side as minus 3 because it's positive number. Okay, then I will drop down negative 2x because negative here is a sign of 2. It will be negative 2x less than or equal 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, now I'm going to send the negative 2 to the other side as divided by negative 2. As I said before, when we divided by negative, the direction of the division, of the inequality will be changed. It will be x greater than or equal 4 divided by negative 2 will be negative 2. Okay, then the solution set will be x greater than negative 2, it goes to positive infinity. It will be negative infinity and a negative 2 and infinity. Negative 2 because of the equal sign will be closed and the infinity will be open. To represent this one on the number line, it will be like this. Negative 2 closed and infinity open to the right direction. Okay, the next one, number 4. 1 minus 5x. Here I have positive 1. I will send positive 1 as minus 1. It will be negative 5x less than 5. Now I'm going to send the negative 5 as divided by negative 5 because it's negative 5 times x. Then x, don't forget, when we divide by negative, I'm going to change the direction. X become bigger than 5 divided by negative 5 equal negative 1. Okay, then here x bigger than negative 1, it goes to the infinity. Then the solution set equal from negative 1 to infinity. Here negative 1 is opened because there isn't any equal sign, and infinity of course open forever. Okay, the representation on the number line will be like this: negative 1 opened and infinity. The next one, number 5. Now we have an inequality from 3 sides. In this one, the main side is the middle side. Then I'm going to cancel the numbers in between, okay, the number with x in the middle sign. Now we have plus 1, plus 2. Then I'm going to send plus 2 here as minus 2, and I'm going to send it here as also minus 2. Now I send 2 here and here. It will be 3 minus 2 equals 1, less than x less than or equal 6 minus 2 equal 4. Here 6 minus 2 equals 4. Then now I can write the solution set. It's from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 1 here because there isn't any equal sign, it will be opened, and 4 because the equal sign, it will be closed. The representation on the number line, it will be from 1 open circle to 4 shaded circle and connect between them like this. The next one, here I have 3x plus 1 smaller than or equal to 4. In this one we have 3x plus 1. I'm going to send plus 1 from this side. Here as minus 1, and to this side as minus 1. Okay, and then it will be negative 8 minus 1 equal negative 9, and here we have 3x less than or equal 3. Now I'm going to send 3x to the other side. It will be here divided by 3, and here also divided by 3. Okay, negative 9 divided by 3 equals negative 3 less than or equal x, and 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, and this is the simplest form. Then the solution set equal from negative 3 closed, because we have here equal sign, and 1 closed because also we have here equal sign, and then I'm going to represent on the number line from negative 3 to 1. This one is closed and this one is also closed. I'm going to shade between them. The next one, here we have 1 less than 5 minus x less than or equal 3. Now I'm going to send 5. 5 here is positive. It will go here as minus 5, and here also minus 5. Then it will be 1 minus 5 equals negative 4. Less than negative x and negative x less than or equal 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. Okay, here I have negative 1, negative x as much as negative 1. Okay, then I'm going to send by divide the two sides by negative 1. Here I will divide here by negative 1, and here also divided by negative 1. It will be negative 4 divided by negative 1 equals 4, and x, don't forget, when we divide by negative we are going to change the direction. It will be like this: negative 2 divided by negative 1 equal 2. Now we have x smaller than 4 greater than x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, to write the solution set, it will be I can't here write 4 at the left side. I will start with the smaller one. The smaller one is 2, then 2 is closed and 4 opened. Okay, now I'm going to represent on the number line 2 and 4. 2 here is closed and 4 is opened. I will connect them, okay, to represent it on the number line. The next one, number 8. Here we have 2x minus 1 greater than absolute negative 3. Absolute negative 3, of course, it's 3. Okay, minus 1 and smaller than 5. I will send minus 1 here to be plus 1, and here also to be plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 equal 4 less than 2x less than 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now I'm going to send 2 here. It will be divided by 2, and here divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2 less than x less than 6 divided by 2 equals 3. This is the simplest form. Then the solution set equal 2 opened, comma 3 opened, and to represent on the number line 2 opened, 3 opened, and connect them. The next one, here we have 3 minus x greater than 5 less than or equal 3 power of 2. 3 power of 2 equals 9. First, I'm going to send 3 here as minus 3 and here as minus 3. 5 minus 3 equal 2, less than negative x, less than or equal 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now I'm going to send minus 1, which is minus 1 times x. It will be divided negative 1, and here also divided by negative 1. Okay, 2 divided by negative 1 equals negative 1, and I'm going to change the direction, then x, change the direction, negative 6. Okay, the solution set from the smaller is negative 6, a negative 6 here, closed, and negative 1 opened. The number line will be negative 6 closed and negative 1 opened like this. Okay, the next example, number 10. 7x minus 12 greater than or equal 5x minus 8. In this case, I need to send 5x from here to here. Again, 5x from here to here. We have two ways, but the easier way, okay, by subtract minus 5x here and minus 5x here. Okay, why? Because 5x minus 5x equals 0. Again, to cancel 5x from here, I will make the inverse operation. 5, it will be minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 equals 0. And here 7x minus 5x equal 2x minus 12 greater than or equal negative 8. Okay, now I'm going to send minus 12 to the other side as plus 12. Then 2x greater than or equal negative 8 plus 12 equal 4. Now I'm going to send 2 to be divided by 2. Then x greater than or equal 2. The solution set equal, it's from 2 to infinity. 2 is closed, infinity is opened. The number line, it will be from 2 closed to infinity opened like this. Now we have 4x smaller than or equal 5x plus 2 less than 4x plus 3. Now I need to cancel 4x from here and here. Then I will do the inverse operation of 4x. It's 4x, it will be negative 4x. Negative 4x here, and the negative 4x here, and the negative 4x here. It will be 4x minus 4x equals 0, smaller than or equal 5x minus 4x equal x, plus 2 smaller than 4x minus 4x cancelled. It will be 3 direct. Okay, now I'm going to send 2 from here to here as minus 2, and 2 from here to here as minus 2. 0 minus 2 will be negative 2, less than or equal x, less than 3 minus 2 equal 1. The solution set equal negative 2 closed and 1 opened. The number line, it will be negative 2 closed and 1 opened, like this. The next one, here we have 2 plus 2x less than 3x plus 3 less than 5 plus 2x. Now I'm going to cancel 2x from the outer sides. I will do here minus 2x, and here minus 2x, and here minus 2x. Okay, then write the answers of them. 2x minus 2x 0. Then I will write 2 less than or equal 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x equal x, and plus 3 less than 2x minus 2x equals 0, it will be 5. Okay, now I'm going to send 3 from here to here, minus 3, and here minus 3. 2 minus 3 equals negative 1, less than or equal x, less than 5 minus 3 equal 2. Okay, then x in the solution set here equal negative 1 closed till 2 opened, and representation on the number line negative 1 closed till 2 opened, and connect between them. The next example. Okay, now we have negative 2x plus 6 over 3 greater than or equal 0 smaller than 4. Okay, first I need to cancel 3. This one I'm going to send 3, which is over 3, as times 3. I will send 3 here as time 3, and here also as time 3. Okay, here 0 times 3 equals 0, less than or equal negative 2x plus 6 less than 4 times 3 equals 12. Now I'm going to send plus 6 here to be minus 6, and here also minus 6. 0 minus 6 equal negative 6, less than or equal negative 2x less than 6. Okay, now I'm going to send minus 2 here it will be divided by negative 2, and here also divided by negative 2. Okay, 6 divided by negative 2 equal positive 3. Change the direction because we divide by negative. X greater than negative 3. The solution set, I will start with the smaller one, negative 3. It's opened, and 3 it's closed because of the equal sign, and I will represent them on the number line from negative 3 to 3. Negative 3 opened, 3 closed, and then connect and shade the space between them. And this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.